You can install the Ivigo application on your smartphone by scanning the QR code. Install the Ivigo app on your smartphone by typing Ivigo in the search box in the App Store. Confirm all permissions when you open the app. These permissions are required for the app to work properly. Tap the Sign Up button to create an account. If you have an Ivigo account, log in. Enter your email address to create an account and tap the Get Verification Code button. A verification code will be sent to the email address you entered. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email address. Set a password for your account and tap the Done button. Confirm the requested permissions. Your smartphone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth must be turned on. Your Ivigo account has been successfully created. Tap the Add Device button to add your professional convector heater. Confirm the requested permissions. Now, plug in your heater and turn the heater on from the side switch. Turn your device on from the control panel. Put your device into Wi-Fi setup mode by pressing and holding the Wi-Fi button on the control panel for 5 seconds. Pair will appear on the screen. When your heater appears in the app, tap the Add button. If your heater does not appear even after waiting for 2 minutes, try adding your heater manually. Enter the Wi-Fi information to which you will connect your heater and tap the Next button. If your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi network, simply enter the Wi-Fi password. Your heater is now being added to the Wi-Fi network and mobile app. Please wait. Your professional convector heater has been successfully added to the mobile application. Now let's take a quick look at the application. On the main screen of the application, there is a Settings button where you can access temperature adjustment button, mode switching, timer setting, and more settings. By tapping the magnifier button in the middle of the main screen, you can access the user manual and access all the features of your heater. You can change the temperature by 1 degree using the minus and plus buttons on the main screen. While the heating is working, an animation appears on the temperature adjustment panel. Additionally, icons of active functions appear at the top of the screen. You can see the description by tapping these icons. You can access basic settings from the Settings menu. You can access advanced settings from the Advanced Settings menu. In this menu, you can access the operating parameters of the basic settings. You can access temperature and energy consumption graphics in the Graphics menu. You can change the operating mode from the Mode button. When the device is on in daily mode, you can set the automatic shutdown time. You can set the automatic power on time when the device is turned off in daily mode. By switching to weekly mode, you can ensure that your device operates on a weekly schedule. You can access the weekly program schedule from the Weekly Program section in the Timer menu. In the weekly program, you can adjust the temperature of the environment at what time and at what temperature, according to the days of the week and the time periods you set. You can set the time and temperature for each time zone. With the heating power limiter, you can limit the power of your heater as you wish. Even more, under the magnifier.